Welcome to, this is lecture number 35, question 5, very important question. 3 questions are there. Question 5, I will dictate A, B, C. This will give you complete concept for resultant for parallel force system. I have set 3 questions so that one question resultant will come in between, one question will come this side, one question will go that side. Anyway, right now you are not knowing, only I am knowing because I set the question. Okay, start. For the given parallel force system question, 3 questions are there. Completely find the resultant. As usual, completely means magnitude, direction, and if resultant is a force, line of action. Rare case, resultant can be a couple, then no line of action. This all you already know it. Okay, start. 3 questions are there. Start. So all are in Newtons and meter. To avoid confusion everywhere, this time same unit. Okay, start. Solution for question 5A. Neatly, see one more thing. Already these questions are over. In the first question only I took unlike parallel. So I will not waste too much time on explaining terms. I will explain only what is required. So neat, see that you have to make a note. Already over. Draw a neat sketch. 60, 40, 65, 45 down, 50 up. Okay, start. Class means I am dictating. In the class sometimes I will dictate. Okay. Given force system is a parallel, you are right here. Given force system is a parallel force system. All forces are vertical. Some are down, some are up. Therefore, resultant also will be vertical. It can be either down or up depending upon the summation. Okay, start. Resultant force R. I will take upward positive. Actually, I can look. By looking only people will tell that it is downward. Okay, we will do systematically. Resultant is R, upward positive. Minus 60, plus 40, minus 65, minus 45, plus 50 will come minus 80 Newton. Therefore, resultant force is 80 Newton downward. So, magnitude over, direction over. Now, you have to locate line of action of resultant. Start. To locate line of action of resultant force. Let line of action of resultant R cut AB line. Actually, that YY, what I told earlier, the AB axis all not required. You have a parallel force system, you consider a point, measure X this way. It is from this axis. It is not required, right? First time I took reference axis. But finally you take a point here. Okay. Let line of action of resultant cut AB line at a point X. At X from A as shown. Remember, make a note. We are marking the line of, we are considering resultant cuts AB line at a point X, which is to right side of X. So later, if X comes positive, it is correct. If it comes negative, it is other way, left side. That, well, one by one we will solve now. Start. Apply Verigno's theorem. Consider moment about A. Same story. You should write. Don't write this way. I will tell only once today. Algebraic sum of moment of the given force system about the point A equal to moment of the resultant about the same point A. We will take clockwise positive, moments in Newton meter. Take moment here. Left side come here. 60 into 0, clockwise positive. Minus 40 into 3, plus 65 into 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 45 into 3 plus 2, 5, 6.5. Minus 50 into total is 9 equal to here 80 into X clockwise plus 80 into X. When you solve, X will come plus 0.59375 meter. Now go to final sketch. But of course, once you write this way, do one thing. Something I am telling in the class, you write that class statement and then go to final statement, final sketch. See, class. We consider line of action of resultant to right of A by X. Yes, answer came plus. Therefore, correct. It is really to right side by 0.59375. Now, this I will remove now. I will use once again now. Same sketch I will use. That is benefit for me. See. Now, these are questions still there. I will remove this one now. I will use the same sketch. See now. Once again put that sketch. There. From the point A to right side by 0.59375 means, oh, it is 60 Newton here. It is 60 Newton here. This is 3 meter. So resultant is very close to A. See, this is your resultant. See, resultant R equal to 50 Newton, not 50, how much it is? 80 Newton. 80 Newton. From A, it is to right side by 0.59375 meter. Or suppose you want from here, what you do? The total is 9. So this is 0.59375. So from here, if you want, you can tell this distance is from 9 subtract it will come 8.40625 meter. Remember, I calculated it, rounded. This is the right here, resultant for given core system. Okay. Now, as usual, question is over. One note you make here. See, briefly, note. See what I am telling. To locate line of action of resultant, we consider the point X to right of A by X. Suppose you take from B. See, that is right, same statement here, independently right. Then instead of lighting here, let line of action of resultant or cut AB line at X. At X from A, you write, let line of action of resultant cut AB line at X from B to left of B. See, this way, X. Then your X will come 8.40625 meter. Correct answer. Or, see, what you do? Take moment about, now you should take moment about B. See here. Minus clockwise positive. Minus 60 into 9 plus 40 into 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 65 into 4 minus 45 into 2.5 equal to moment about this point. See, minus 80 into X. X will come 4.6025. Oh, correct answer. Question 1 is completely over. Now go to question 2. I'll remove this one now. This is a final answer. Remove it. I solved all the questions there and noted the answer to save the time. Solution for question 5B. Okay. Draw a neat sketch. How much it is? 2211. Okay. I got a new sketch. Put the sketch here. Question 2B. Question 5B. That is 100 Newton up. 100 Newton up after 2 meter, 200 Newton down. 200 Newton down. Then after another 2 meter, 15 Newton up. 15 Newton up. Then after 1 meter, 10 Newton up. 10 Newton up. After further 1 meter, it is 80 Newton down. 80 Newton. Right distances here. 2 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Take the point as A and B. Start. Class, same as last time. Given, now I will not repeat, waste of time. What I told for question 5A, go back, see there. If you are serious, what all I told for question 5A, write everything here. Okay. Resultant R equal to, we will take upward positive, plus 100, minus 200, plus 15, plus 10, minus 80. I'll check the answer because safer side. Safer side, I'll check it. Distance, moments all I already verified. But just to be safer side, I'll check it. 100, calculate is not on. 100 minus 200 plus 15 plus 10 minus 80. Plus 100 minus 200 plus 15 plus 10 minus 80. It is coming 155. No, something wrong. 100, 200, 15, 10, 80. 15, 10, 80. I think I made a wrong entry. I took result as 25 Newton. How? 1 minute, 100. This together is somewhere. No, this question will not do because I set the question for that purpose. I don't know where I made while writing the question here, how much I want? 25 Newton up I want. 25 Newton up means 100 up, 25 up, 200 down, 80. Just 1 minute now. I will set the question once again because I already prepared the answer there. I have taken a photo of that original question. 1 minute. Do not want any mistakes. Okay, got it. It is not 200 Newton. Question you change it. The question you have to change. Where is the pen cap? Here. The question actually, when I set the question, it was 20 Newton. It's 20 Newton. Change it. Some will tell, sir, why you want to change like that? Not that way. See, I told resultant, once I want in between. Last time question came. Once I want beyond that point. Once I want beyond this point. So you have to properly set the question. In a rough sheet, in a corner, I set the question. While copying that here, main copying here for class purpose, 20 became 200. That's why, see, I already noted the answer there. Answers are there with me. So that way, this is not that I can't solve that question. What is there what is a numerical? Suppose if I take same 200, resultant can once again come in between. Purpose is not served. So it is plus 100 minus 20 plus 15 plus 10 minus 80. Now correct. Minus 80. It will come plus 25 Newton. Okay, I'll check once again. Safer side. Why take chances? 100 minus 20 plus 15 plus 10 minus 80. Yes, plus 25 Newton. Therefore, resultant equal to, we took upward positive. Positive came, no plus now, it is 25 Newton upwards. Okay, now, to locate line of action of resultant. Let line of action of resultant cut AB line at a point X, at X from here. See, now resultant is upward force. Resultant is upward force of 25 Newton X from here. Okay. Same theory. Apply Weber theorem. Moment will change. Okay. You should write once again. Start. Moment. 100 into 0. 100 into 0 plus 20 into 2. I'll check the values once again. 20 into 2 minus 15 into 4. I am not explaining why minus because already over so many hundreds of times. Minus 15 into 4 minus 10 into 5. Y minus means anti-clockwise. 10 into 5 plus 80 into 6 equal to resultant R 20 R into how much? Into X. But remember, R is 25 Newton. R into X is anti-clockwise. So minus you are right here. You get the value of X. And check the value. Safer side. 20 into 2 minus 15 into 4 minus 10 into 5 plus 80 into 6 equal to divided by minus 25. Minus, correct, I got same answer there. Minus 16.4 meter. Minus 16.4 meter. Now important. We got minus 16.4 meter. Class. We consider the point X, that is where resultant will cut AB line at X to right of A, but we got negative sign. That means the resultant will cut the AB line not to right side, to left side by 16.4 meter. Now, this sketch will not work out because length is more. Therefore, now write final answer is, see, here, 100 Newton, 20 Newton. I am writing close because reason is there. 20 Newton, 15 Newton, 10 Newton, 80 Newton. These are the forces. Okay. Now, this is A, this is B. This length you write, if you want to write the length, you write it. 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, write 2 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. From A, resultant we took to right side, but negative came by 16.4 means resultant is, see, this is 16.4 left side, somewhere here. See, somewhere here. Resultant is upwards. Resultant R equal to 25 Newton. From A, it is line of action is to left side by 15.4 meter over. This is the final answer for resultant. Now you can make a note. Suppose you want to locate the resultant from B. As per this answer, from B, it will be 2 left side by 15.4 plus another 6. 6 ಅಲ್ಲ 16.4. It is not 15.4, 16.4. Okay. 16.4 meter already you got. From here it will come, it should come 22.4 meter. Okay. That value, now you check it here. Note, class. Instead of taking moment about A, if you take moment about B, same way, you should write a sketch, you should change the sketch now. See, resultant R is 25 Newton. You take X to left side, X here. Then take moment about B, see here. Plus 100 into 6, minus 20 into, you should write, I am not writing it, minus 20 into 4, plus 15 into 2, plus 10 into 1, 80 into 0, equal to, see here, moment about B, equal to 25 into X, clockwise. Therefore, equal to plus 25 into X. Your X will 100% come plus 22.4 meter. In that case, this is not there. When you, after writing the force system from B, we consider resultant to left of B. Yes, answer came plus, means it is really to left of B by how much? 22.4. From B to A is only 6 meter. So it will go beyond A. From here, 22.4 meter, or from A, remove 6, you get 16.4 meter. Final answer. Okay, now last question. Question 5C. This sketch I write once again. But you should not do this way, rub it actually. You should write everything neatly. Question here. It's a question. 90 Newton. I pause the recording and write it, but today I want to finish fast. Do not want to waste time. 40 Newton here. Down, then at 2 meter, 50 Newton down. 50 Newton down. Then 25 Newton up 1.5 meter. 25 Newton up, and then 75 down at 1 meter. Okay. 75 down. A, B. Write distances neatly. Everything enter here. 3 meter. Second question gone now. 2 meter. 2 meter. Then 1.5 meter and 1 meter. Okay. Start solution. Don't see there. Resultant force R equal to, we'll take upward positive. Once again upward positive will take minus 90, calculate, minus 90, minus 40, minus 50, plus 25, plus 75. It will come minus 130, minus 50, plus 25, plus 75, minus 80. Minus 90, minus 90, minus 40, minus plus 90. See, not minus 90, it is plus 90, upward positive. Because I got some other answer there. Okay. Plus 90, minus 40, minus 50, plus 25, plus 75 is 100 Newton. How 100? 90, 40, 90 up, 40 down, 50 down, 25, 50 down, 25 up, 75 down. 90, why I wrote 50 Newton there, I don't know. I wrote 50 Newton there. Okay. 90 plus 25, that are upward forces. 90 and 25 upward forces. See, this is minus 75. I don't know what happened today. Something wrong today. It's minus 75. Okay. 90 minus 40 minus 50. See, why? Because usually when you find parallel forces, loads are downward. I take downward positive. I forgot I took upward positive. Once again, okay. 90 minus 40 minus 50 plus 25 minus 75 minus 50 Newton. Okay, now got it. These are all silly matter, 50 Newton. So, resultant R is 50 Newton. Direction is, we took upward positive, negative came downwards. Okay. Now, class, same line of action of resultant. Let line of action of resultant cut the AB line attack same way, but remember, you take direction how? Direction is downward. It is downward force resultant equal to how much? 50 Newton. 50 Newton at X from here. Okay. Now, apply Weygl-Knowles theorem. Moment about A. All same, but moment will change. Okay, change the moment here. 90 into 0. Last question. 90 into 0 plus 40 into 3. 40 into 3 plus 50 into 5. Clockwise. 50 into 5. Anti-clockwise. Minus 25 into 5 plus 1.5 is 6.5. Minus 25 into 6.5 and then plus 75 into 7.5 equal to how much? Resultant R, which is 50 Newton, into X. Remember, it is a clockwise positive. You get the X value. I will calculate now because so many numbers are here and there. I don't want a mistake now. 40 into 3 plus 50 into 5 minus 25 into 6.5 plus 75 into 7.5 divided by 50 is 15.4 meter. Correct. I got same answer. You got plus 15.4 meter. Class, right here. We took the resultant to right of A by X and we got X positive. We got X positive. Means to the right is correct. So resultant will be at 15.4 meter to right of A. But A to B is only how much? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 7.5 meter. See, 7.5 meter. But A you got how much? 15.4 meter. So it will go much right further. It will be right side of A only, but it will go beyond B. Therefore, last sketch. This is not there now. These are cancelled. Therefore, your last answer is, put the problem once again. Final answer, 90 Newton, then 40 Newton, how much? 3. The small you are right, 40 Newton, then 50 Newton down, 50 Newton down, then 25 Newton up, and 75 Newton down, 1 meter. 75 Newton down, distances are how much? 3 to 1.51, 3 meter, 2 meter, 1.5 meter and 1 meter. This is A, this is B. We got resultant to right of A by 15.4. From here to here is how much? 7.5. So it will be right side, it will be somewhere here. How direction? Down. Okay. So resultant for the force system is, resultant is 50 Newton, which is from A, its distance from here is 15.4 meter. That is what we got. Now do one thing. Somebody can ask, tell me from B, from 15.4 subtract 7.5, this distance will be 7.9 meter. Calculated. Okay, now we'll check that answer. How? Right, note. Suppose, class I am telling, instead of A, suppose you refer with respect to B, then what you will do? Put the sketch here, AB. Let the resultant cut the AB line. Once again, you take here only, we don't know right side. Resultant is how? Resultant is down 50 Newton. It is left side by X. Some will tell, side right side. How you know it? Sir, you already got. If you are doing that one, you are not doing this one. Instead of doing this way, you are doing separately this one. So you don't know that it will be X left side. Now take moment about B. What will happen? Right. Plus 90 into 7.5 minus 40 into 4.5 minus 50 into 2.5 plus 25 into 1, 75 into 0. You should write neatly equal to what? Right hand side. Moment about B. 50 into X. But remember, 50 into X is anti-clockwise. So minus 50 into X, you are right. Your X will surely come minus 7.9 meter. My guarantee. 7.9 meter. Okay, let me check it. Not required to check actually. Take point about B. Plus 90 into 7.5 minus 40 into 4.5 minus 50 into 2.5 plus 25 into 1 equals so much, divided by 50 minus 7.9 meter. That means we took the point resultant here from B to left side by X, negative came, so resultant is to right side by 7.9 meter. Perfectly correct. Over. So 3 questions we solved today. Work out all the 3 questions systematically, not rad. I did little fast because it's already over earlier. First of all, these 3 questions I should have given homework or exercise. I need not solve here. Still I solved. Next class what I will do is I will solve special questions and some concept-based questions, and most probably next class we are closing parallel force system. Then we are going for one last part that is called replacement of forces. With that one, your part 1 is over. As soon as part 1 is over, notes will be ready for issuing. We'll meet in the next class.